VS Code versus Cursor, best AI code editor. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of VS Code and Cursor. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about VS Code. Vscode is an open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It's known for its massive extension library, customizability, and seamless integration with AI tools like GitHub Copilot. Pros of VS Code: supports a wide range of programming languages, rich extension ecosystem, built-in terminal and debugger, excellent Git integration, works well with AI tools like GitHub Copilot. Cons of VS Code: can become heavy with too many extensions. Setup may take time for beginners. Not designed specifically for AI first coding. Now, let's talk about Cursor. Cursor is a relatively new AI first code editor designed from the ground up to integrate AI assistance deeply into the coding workflow. Pros of Cursor: built specifically for AI pair programming, clean and fast interface, strong inline code suggestions and refactor options, built on top of VS Code for familiarity, minimal setup for AI usage. Cons of Cursor: limited extension support compared to VS Code, smaller community and ecosystem, still evolving and adding features. So that's basically the main differences are between Vscode and Cursor, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.